Sa muka. Asa outsider? Uy, pagsabot lang buti, oy. Say, mo na ni Say? Or yan na ko kamay, ito ko.
Ano yung balita na? May kanya na. Oy, karaan na nakuan.
Tupad pa dyan, mi. Kera.
Birahan ka naman.
It's game time! This game is brought to you by Sorry Hongsai Basketball Phenomenal. Pwede tamo like and share sa iyang YouTube channel o sa official fan page, Facebook fan page.
Ibalan soy. Okay, kapala.
First ball,
ni Lebron.
Wala.
Masuk ni Lebron. Ipasa ni Noy. Wagyapon. Rebound ni Soy.
With a rebound. Walang isulabang pagong Lebron 21. Kaya ma-slide to. Number 16, Lionel. Good for 2. Kapala with a smiling face. Number 7, pass to number 3, Mark Pagolong. Wala size step. Wala lang. Luka with a rebound. Pass to Leo. Soy Dongsai. Pass to Steele. Yone with a steal. Pass to Luka. Pass to Bartolaba. Shot clock 10 seconds. Leo wala. Masyado malakas. Kapala. 2 in 1. Kapala. First 2 points. All score 2. 8 minutes and 52 seconds. Bartolaba. What a nice layup by Bartolaba. Kapala number 7 holding the ball. Number 33 pull up J from free throw. Wala, short. Out of bounds. Noy. Shot clock 14. Mark Pagolong. Bag shot. Wala. Rebound by Leone. Pass to 51. Leo. 8 minutes and 10 seconds. Bartolaba. Pass to Leone. Ako may kuyawan na nila. First personal foul. First team foul for Jejalea. Kapala. Steal by Leo. Foul number 5. Ito kayo sa kusog yun. Ay lang mo pagpalabi ha, kay mas light down pa. Number 51 Leo. Pass to Soy Tongsai. Pull up jumper. Ano naman kayo sa turon? Gusto kipildi? Ayun, kusog yun. Nanggap kaya itong korte ha, so hindi na dito. Noy. What a nice shot by Noy. Nice pass. Oh, nagpanilap na si JR Castro Drio. Next game naman sila, kung hindi mo uwan. Pero mo uwan dun eh. Magkusog na dyan. Nice pass. Wala lang. Kapala. Uy, hinay na tayo. Kusog na dyan. Di na dyan ni Mada. O na, may panganod na, may mumot.
Muagir na. Okay, tira.
Number 51 Leo holding the ball. Guarded by Cordillera. Pass to JLB. Back to Leo. Leo free. Rebound by Mark Pagolong. Nice to Kapala. Villamor. 2 points by Villamor. The tank. Check my test. Soy Tongsai holding the ball. Shot clock 10. Romeo out of bounds. Cordillera good for 2. Ayaw pa sila sir kay nako. Mautang ko. Okay, sige, pwede. Soy Tongsai nagdadala ng bola with the old shoes. Leo driving. Leo fake. Leo 2 points. Kapala. Oh, nindot na kayo. Dumaling sa gitong. Hindi, hindi mauwan lagi. Kapala. Pass to Cordillera for 3. Wala. So itong side with the rebound. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. All time 10.
Close lang.
Luka. Back to Soy. Andong, ayan ang bola Andong kay Rochelle kanin duwa. Leo, wala, nigawas. Kapala. Naka-looters, naka-haze ko no, number 51. Soy. Pass to Leo. JLB, pull up 3. JLB for 3. Gabihan mo ng gabi. Uy.
Giro kayo.
Nob Saibot, kauban ni Black Ninja.
Wala.
Nob Saibot, kauban ni Black Ninja, kakauban. Time out 3 minutes, ref. Cordillera. Wala. Leo with the rebound. Leone. Noel Cubs with the rebound. Nice pass. Foul counted. Nice pass by JLB. Kuya White. 3 points na nakapajot. Ay, inyo mo na bola.
Bilagyo na masa.
Lalagi. Balik-balik.
Boss Luka. Wala. Kapala. Balik daw. Kapala driving. Pass to Mark Pagolong. Pull up J. Wala. Short. Balik lang. Kuwang. Tunuin. Dakpan. Masyadong malakas. So ito Sai. Nice pass to Luka. Masyadong malalim. Rebound by Leo. Leo. Number 0, Romeo Cordillera. First personal foul. First team foul. So yung natulog eh. Warning for penalty. Leo, first free throw is good.
Di mo na, mo dyan commentator gani.
Sama-sama, awan.
Sam kalgan say.
Ano ba?
Algas oy.
Leo, second free throw. Wala. Rebound by Kapala, out of bounds. Nice hustle by Noel Cubs. We would like to thank the following person.
16. Saka na, 15 na.
Shot, oh.
Ay, bawarin rin.
Kaya sa nawa na ko. Magpasalamat sa atong BOD Sports Commissioner
Waiting lang
Mark Lauro Pagolong for our snacks for tonight. Thank you so much. Kuwang o soft drinks.
Ayan, may tubig.
Tubig lang na tubig. Leo, good for 2. Cooking to no? Oh, cooking. We would like to thank
Chamba na to, chamba.
the sponsor of our speaker and microphone. Look, good for 3. Romeo Cordillera. 3. Gabriel Bobeles. Uyuan sa Casamira. Salamat kayo sa inyong speaker, sir. Rebound by Noynay. Noynay, pass to Bilamor. Nice pass. 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining in the first quarter. So ito Isai. Nice pass to Leo. Leo driving. Nice pass to Noel Cubs. Block. Shot clock 10 seconds. 1 minute remaining. Mugtong sumbuan. Nice block by Romeo Cordillera. Mark K. Pagolong. May dala ng bola. Mark pass to Cordillera. Wala, rebound by Noynay. Putback. Varsity of the Vista Grande. Noynay. 46. Nice pass. Wala. Napakong. Cordillera. Masyadong malakas. Kapala with the... First personal foul. Kung kinsa itong mga silingan na katungog, palihog mo arin mo sa basketball court, kaya wala na atag doon basket.
Palihog mo. Kadungog mo, palihog tol dritso.
Kaya wala pa nakuhan. Ay, mag-duty og may. Kapala.
Nagpustahan na naman eh.
For 1 point. 32 seconds.
Paan, Lauro na eh.
Magpasalamat po tayo sa atong basketball president, Melvin Lauron. Sa suporta kada adlaw. Sa kada duwa na to, naadun na sa termin malingkod rin. Mark.
Oo na, may tubig.
Kapala. O kaning water dispenser, iyahan eh. Thank you kayo.
Wa pa ning tubig, pas mo.
Kapala, nice drive, nice layup. 5. Errol, iatok bersik na siya. Paonel, holding the ball, pass to Bartolaba. Pass to Odosi.
Buka ni pagulo ko eh.
Odosi. Shoot points by Odosi. Kita pa yung Paolo.
Tan, ayaw tan. Kaya mo na tan. Ayaw.
Nawagtang.
Ay, mukha na. Villamor with a rebound. Nice pass to Bartolaba. Blocked by the Bird. Odosi, nagkaroon na rin. GLB, nice pass to Odyssey. Block. Minguito, pull up J. Wala, rebound by Ariel Semblante. Ariel Semblante, wala, rebound by
Balik mo! Ayaw mo diya!
Bartolaba, good for 2.
Let's go! Green team!
Goal Cavs, nice speed. Pass to Jelby. Ayay. Bartolaba, ahead to Villamor. Villamor, blocked by Gallardo. In Gallardo, good for 2.
Let's go, green team!
Makaela.
Yara! Trisikas!
Foul. First team foul. Yun eh, accessories. First free throw for Mikaela. Second free throw for... Ayun sa akin, gusto pa kayo. Ariel Semblante! Another rebound. 2 free throws. First free throw for Villamor. No good.
Ayaw mo dire. Let's go, green team!
Yes, Odyssey with a rebound. GBL, GLB day. Losing the handle. Ariel Semblante, Jimber Bartolaba.
Napay dos, green ha, napay dos.
Bartolaba, pull up, wala, Gallardo with rebound. Uy. Wala, rebound by malakas ang ulan. Malakas ang ulan ay...
Rapper.